Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming to joining us today at this virtual job fair for Novelis. My name is Nancy Inman, and I'm the business consultant for Work One, and we are hosting this virtual job fair for Novelis. I would like to introduce to you Amanda Hogue. Amanda is the Human Resources for Novelis in our Terre Haute manufacturing company. Can you unmute yourself, Amanda, and share with us this great presentation you prepared for us?
Good.
Oh,
There we go. All right, I am unmuted. Can you hear me okay, Nancy?
I can. Welcome.
Okay, great. Thanks for having me, Nancy. I am looking forward to this new virtual career fair. I think this is pretty exciting. My name is Amanda Hogue, and I work in human resources at Novelis here in Terre Haute. We are located on 13th Street, just north of Menards. So thanks for dialing in today and to learn about us. I think we are a hidden gem in the community. We have very low turnover, and due to retirements and re-entering the household foil market, we are looking for some plant utility, which is the entry-level position in the plant. So today I'm going to share information about Novelis as a company, local information about our plant, and our benefits. Novelis is a leading producer of flat-rolled aluminum products and the world's largest recycler of aluminum. At the Terre Haute plant, we roll coils of aluminum to gauge, slit to width, coat with wax, and send to our customers who use our aluminum for flexible packaging like pie pans and turkey roasters that you see at the grocery store. So if you could go to the next slide, please. Can you go to the next slide, please?
I'm on the facts and figures. Is that the one you want to see?
No, I'm on what sets us apart. For some reason, my what I'm seeing is still just the first slide. So that's okay.
Okay.
I could talk to it. So what sets us apart? So Novelis produces aluminum sheet for use in beverage cans, automobiles, aerospace, and much, much more. So what sets us apart from others is the aluminum industry. Okay, I see it now. So you need to go back a few. My computer might just be slow. But yeah.
I think my computer was slow. We're having some internet problems on our end, so
yeah, that's okay. It's totally fine. So what sets us apart from others in the aluminum industry is our global footprint, our quality service and innovation for high-end, lightweight aluminum solutions, and our recycling and sustainability leadership. So I'm on the third slide now. So there are approximately 15,000 employees across 33 locations in 9 countries. So here's some key statistics by region. In North America, we have approximately 4,900 employees across 16 operations. In South America, we have approximately 1,600 employees across 2 operations. In Europe, we have approximately 6,200 employees across 11 operations. And in Asia, we have approximately 2,000 employees across 4 operations. So the next slide is serving our customers. Our diverse and expansive customer base is comprised of the leading global brands in our key market segments. So we have enjoyed long-standing partnerships with many of them for decades. In the beverage can business, customers include giants such as Coca-Cola, Crown, Ball, Anheuser-Busch, among others. In the automotive sector, our customers include major car makers such as Ford, GM, Chrysler, Jaguar, Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Tesla, and BMW. Our aerospace business includes customers such as Airbus, Boeing, and Bombardier. And in the specialty products market, customers include LG, Samsung, packaging customers like Pactiv Corporation, and windows and blinds company Velux. Demand for our products is growing. The beverage can market represents the largest amount of Novelis shipments today. The automotive is the largest growing market for Novelis. Automakers are increasing the use of aluminum in vehicles to make them lighter, more fuel efficient, and better performing. With air travel expected to grow substantially over the next years, the aerospace industry is building new fuel-efficient aircrafts with aluminum. Lastly, our specialty products are also a growing market for Novelis. More designers and engineers prefer to use our aluminum to reduce the weight of electronic devices, design corrosion-resistant buildings, and lightweight heavy trucks. So, Novelis culture. Another important part of our sustainability is our people. At Novelis, our people are our greatest asset. As a manufacturer, we place the highest priority on the protection of our people through continuous development and support of the Novelis safety system across all our operations. In the workplace, we foster an environment for innovation, collaboration, and forward thinking. And as a global company, we employ talented people from around the world, and we continuously invest in their growth through a range of career development programs. So if you can go to the next slide, it's the Novelis purpose. Perfect. At Novelis, our purpose is shaping a sustainable world together. So what is purpose and what does it mean to us? Purpose is the reason we do what we do and the core of who we are. It's what gets us rolling and energized to come to work each and every day. Our purpose is built from our history, and it also reflects our experiences today. As we look into our future, purpose will align everything we do, the way we work, the decisions we make, and the partnerships we pursue. Our purpose can be broken down into 3 parts: shaping, from cans to cars to consumer electronics. When Novelis shapes aluminum, we shape innovations that move us forward towards what's next. Sustainability is core to who we are. It's not just about our products, but also about our business partnerships and employees. That's why everything at Novelis is made to last into the future and beyond. And World Together represents the possibilities of collaboration. When we work together and build on our collective intelligence, we are capable of shaping a world that sustains us all. Okay, you go to the next slide. We're very proud of our recycling efforts and the positive impact they have on our communities. But that's not the only way we support our hometown and our operations worldwide. We support a number of community programs and initiatives focused on safety, recycling, and STEM education. Through our Novelis Neighbor program, we are avid supporters of Habitat for Humanity, through our Novelis Month of Service, which is in October, First Robotics, which exposes kids to engineering, math, and science at a young age. We also provide them with aluminum to make their robots. The Terre Haute plant is also one of the leading contributors to the United Way of the Wabash Valley. We are incredibly proud of all these programs and to the many employees who give their time and resources to make them successful. Okay, next slide. So let's talk about the Terre Haute plant specifically. What you see here on this slide is our 21-turn work schedule. The different colors signify days off for different shifts. We work 8-hour shifts, which are 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., and swing shifts. Your scheduled work hours stay the same, but your days off rotate. So our plant organization is structured around teams, and employees are expected to work as team players. There is minimal supervision, therefore you will be making decisions and be held accountable for decisions that in traditional manufacturing plants are made by salary personnel. Employees enjoy a lot of freedoms in their job, but with those freedoms come responsibilities and accountabilities. Employees are involved with every aspect of the job, including taking leadership roles regularly, such as being a crew leader, participating in continuous improvement events, or safety processes. Novelis Terre Haute is a unionized shop that operates 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So shift work is a way of life, and employees must be able to work all shifts. Shifts and employees needed on each shift are determined based on the needs of the business and by seniority. Junior employees may work different shifts from week to week. Overtime is common, especially during vacation season, often meaning 12-hour shifts. The position we are interviewing for is our entry-level position called plant utility. Those selected will be expected to qualify on entry-level job tasks within the various machine centers. Typical jobs are working within a crew, operating a high-speed rolling mill, or slitting metal to width on our finishing equipment, or working in the packing shipping area. The pay starts at $21.63 an hour, with shift differentials for working second and third shifts. We pay time and a half on Saturday, double time on Sunday, and overtime is paid if you work over 8 hours in a day. The plant environment is very clean for the type of the industry that we're in, but it's also an industrial setting. It's not an office environment. The plant is not air conditioned. It gets hot in the summer and cool in the winter. The floors are concrete, and one can expect to spend a great deal of time on their feet. Uniforms, hard hats, steel-toed shoes, safety glasses, Kevlar sleeves, and hearing protection are required, along with other personal protective equipment, depending upon the job hazards. Novelis is a tobacco-free facility, so no smoking, vaping, and/or use of tobacco products is allowed on plant site. And also, Novelis does not allow jewelry to be worn on the shop floor. Next slide. So let's talk about our benefits. And then the next slide, please. So at Novelis, caring for our employees is at the core of who we are. Our benefits programs are designed to be flexible to meet you and your family's needs at the different stages of your lives, enhance and protect your health and financial well-being, be competitive in our industry, and offer quality and affordability you can count on. Our employees' financial stability is important to Novelis. That is why we contribute to our employees' retirement account and offer the flexibility to personalize plans in order to save the maximum amount of funds to build a sustainable financial plan. The Novelis Savings and Retirement Plan, also referred to as the 401k plan, provides you with 2 types of saving vehicles. Next slide. You are eligible to participate in the plan after a waiting period of 30 days. Novelis has a company match. Novelis matches 100% on the first 3% of pay you contribute to the plan, and 50% on the next 3% of pay you contribute to the plan. For example, if you save 6% or more of your pay, the company will contribute 4.5% of your pay into your savings account. You are immediately vested in the Novelis company match. And the retirement account is funded by Novelis as a way to help you save for retirement. Novelis will contribute an amount equal to 5% of your eligible compensation to the plan each pay period. And these positions are paid each week, every Thursday. So every Thursday, what equals to be 5% of your pay is put into this retirement account, in addition to the company match, in addition to what you contribute. So next slide, we'll talk about the medical, dental, vision, life insurance coverage. The next slide is our medical plan summary. Novelis is committed to the safety and well-being of you and your family. That's why it's important that we provide you with the best option for care. This chart explains how our medical plan works. All coverage tiers have the same premiums. This means that you can cover just yourself and a spouse, or your entire family for the same $44.76 a week. We have an on-site clinic with a full-time nurse. We also have an on-site fitness center that is free for you to use. So next slide, we'll talk about the dental plan. Novelis offers 2 dental plan options administered by MetLife that cover a wide range of dental expenses from cleaning to orthodontia. The basic plan is a great option for routine and basic care at no cost to you, while the enhanced plan gives you the option for more dental and orthodontia coverage if needed. Okay, the next plan is the vision plan. Healthy eyes are an important part to your overall health and quality of life. The vision plan, administered by MetLife Vision, helps you care for your eyes while saving you money. Under the plan, you are eligible for an annual eye exam and benefits toward eyeglasses or contacts. The next slide is about life insurance. And at Novelis, care is at our core. We understand that life happens, and that's why it's important that you protect your family's future. Novelis provides basic life insurance coverage at no cost to you. You can choose to purchase additional life insurance for you and your eligible dependents. MetLife administers all of the Novelis life insurance products, and this is just a quick look at our life insurance options. So, the next slide talks about our employee assistance program. It's also called EAP. LifeWorks is our EAP provider, and under the Novelis EAP, you can take advantage of free counseling for any issues you or a family member are experiencing. LifeWorks offers multiple options to meet your counseling needs. So they're accessible via phone, website, mobile app, video, all kinds of different ways. Next is our voluntary benefits. Employees have access to the full suite of AFLAC that include accident, critical illness, and hospital indemnity insurance plans. These plans allow you to choose coverage that pays cash for benefits if you are treated for an illness or injury at a hospital, whether you're admitted or seen as an outpatient. Benefits are paid to you in cash and can be used however you choose for deductibles or everyday expenses you need to pay. The AFLAC Hospital Indemnity Plan also covers hospitalizations for childbirth and does not require a waiting period. Coverage is available for yourself and your family members, and these benefits are paid in addition to any medical plan benefits. So the next slide is just our website, and I invite you to come and connect with us on novelis.com/careers, and I'll be happy to answer any questions.
Amanda?
Yeah.
Thank you for a fabulous presentation on your company out of Region 7. We're very lucky to have such a great company with wonderful benefits right here. And it's awesome that you're opening it up for some other community members to apply right now. I've had a couple questions come up. One of them is, what are your current job openings? Can you go over that again?
Yes, so right now we are hiring for, there's actually a lot of positions posted, mechanic, electrician, we have some engineering positions available, but really what I'm looking for are several plant utility operators, which is basically like the entry-level position.
And another question that we have is, Amanda, could you please tell us about the application process?
Yes. So whenever you go on novelis.com/careers, you can search by location. And as we talked about earlier, we have a lot of locations. So make sure you search by Terre Haute, Indiana. You log in, apply as a plant utility. You need to have a resume and attach your resume. If you are selected for the next steps, we send you an email with an online assessment, as well as the contact information to reach out to Work One to complete some work keys testing. Once you successfully go through those 2 steps, we invite you on site for an interview and a plant tour, and it's a very extensive process.
Because you want to make sure you get the right people.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, Are there any more questions? I don't see any coming up on the board, the question board, but I will leave with this, that if you do have any more questions after viewing this, and we did have a nice turnout, by the way, you can reach me, Nancy, at any work one. They will know how to get a hold of me. So just call work one and ask for Nancy Inman, and they will give you my number, and you can reach me then. I will relay anything on to Amanda so that she can get several suppliers trained and sucking up some of those benefits within our community. Amanda, do you have anything to add?
No, just thank you so much, Nancy, to you and to Brad, and being so fantastic, a great partner to work with.
Okay. All right. Well, have a good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for coming.